Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add games in the NVIDIA app. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app. Okay, so once you're in here, just go ahead over to the left panel and just click on settings. And then in here, we are going to find games and apps. This section, okay? So you can just go ahead and click on scan now. And then it will automatically scan for programs and will update the list. So if your games doesn't show up, you can just go ahead and click on view and modify. Okay, so click on it. Now go ahead and click on add. And in here, let's say I have games under my other drive. Okay, this PC local disk D right here under games. So I have many installed games from here. I'm just going to click on this folder. Okay, I'm going to show you. As you can see here, I've got a ton of games in here. So I'm just going to click on this folder and then click on select folder. As you can see, it is now added. So just basically click on close. Now go ahead and click on scan now. Wait again. And after that, as you can see, before it was 6, now it's 17. Okay. Now when you go ahead over to home, right here, the left panel, you should now be able to see, when you click on see all of your games. All right, that is it. That's how simple it is to add games in the NVIDIA app. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.